Hey guys, Owen here from Maclin Ford, here to show you this Bright White Clearcoat 2020 Jeep Gladiator. It is very well maintained. It is a local Alberta vehicle with absolutely zero accidents. It comes in the Rubicon trim with Launch Edition package, which is powered by a 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine. It also comes with a tonneau cover and a fully sprayed bed liner. This Jeep Gladiator has a lot of cool features. It has heated leather seats, it has color matching Freedom top, navigation, push start, Bluetooth, remote start, reverse camera, and it also has pre-collision warning. You also have lots of legroom with USB port adapters in the rear, and the middle seat can be folded down for cup holders, and you can fold up those back seats for even more storage. There's only so much I can show you about this Jeep Gladiator in this short little video. Come on down to Maclin Ford to see more about it. Thank you very much and have a good day.